Welcome back, lovely people. I have some cooking oil I am adding to my pot. We're going to be making some steamed veggies today. I've added some onions. I'll be stir frying this for about 1 to 2 minutes. I'll make sure it is translucent and I'll make it to the degree I want it. I like it when it's still a little bit crunchy, so I don't make it very soft. I'm adding some garlic ginger paste and I'll be mixing all this together as well to make sure it is well infused into my oil and my onions. And then I'll be adding some pepper, some fresh pepper that I've just been sliced, and make sure you add the quantity you want. Make sure you know the degree or the hotness of the pepper you are adding. If you don't like pepper, don't add too much, and vice versa. If you like a lot, you can add more if you wish. So I'm using my pumpkin leaves, popularly known as ugu leaves. I like these leaves a lot, and because it's still crunchy whenever I need to use it, especially for steamed vegetables, I like when it's still crunchy and not so soft, because I'm not making a soup, I'm making a side. This vegetable dish or these steamed vegetables is very nice for garnishing. If you want to eat it with some rice, if you want to eat it with some pasta or anything like that. So I like it when it's not entirely soft. So I'm just mixing everything together. I'll be adding some salt for taste. I'll also be adding some bouillon cubes as well. Use any seasoning that you like, that you want to use in sweetening your dish. It is absolutely fine. I'll be mixing everything all together so that I have that taste well infused. And this requires very little ingredients. You don't need to do too much, just a little bit and you're fine. If you want, you can add some crayfish, but I like to keep it as plain as possible because, like I said, it's a side and it's not a soup. It's not the main dish. It's not the main soup you use for your food. This is just like a garnishing vegetable. I'll be adding some extra oil because I noticed that it was too coarse and it was not it was not giving me what it should give. So I added a little bit of extra oil. So just feel free to add the ingredients you like, and it's absolutely ready at this point. I just left it to simmer for another 1 to 2 minutes. And then I turned it off and my steamed vegetables was totally ready at this point. It's so yummy, guys. You will need this if you're someone that you don't like taking a plain dish alone. Probably if you don't like taking rice alone, this is perfect for you. You can serve with rice, serve with pasta, serve with anything that you absolutely love. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you in subsequent videos. Bye for now.